Hello everyone, this is a Maserati Tipo 61. This casting is by Hot Wheels, and as you can see it's new for 2026. It's from the main line, looks like a nice casting. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Maserati Tipo 61 out of this box, and you can see it's a racing car. It's not your everyday road going car. Has that classic shape from those early 60s 70s kind of design. Looks really good. It has these nice looking wheels. I think these were released earlier on a different model, maybe a Ford, but they're very different. Well, I will show you the base. You can see how different they are. Now on the front you can see where the quad headlamp is, but they're not detailed. You got this very, I think, Jaguar like grill on the front. Number 25 on the hood, obviously a big long hood with the bulge here and the vents, which can again, if you want you can detail them to look even more better. You get this white paint with the blue stripes going from front to back. Number 25 on the front. Now moving to the driver's side, so you can see the side exhaust there, another vent grill, I think more heat to let out more heat. Wheels obviously look massive for the height of the car. You see a small door here, a window which kind of makes it look like a cockpit. On the rear, again, there are tail lamps, but they're not painted. You've got more vents, fuel filler in the middle there, and this looks like it's not for getting the air, and it's just behind the driver, so more of aerodynamic feature, I would say. I like the, do you see this curves here, the hunt on the wheel arches? They look nice. Now on the, I won't say passenger, but because there's no passenger seat, but on the other side looks very similar. No mirrors anywhere. The interior is finished in chrome, which I highly doubt the actual car did. Now let's go to the base. This is where you can see those newer wheels. They're much slimmer but much bigger, and they do mimic older wheels. I think it's a nice looking mainline casting. Definitely can use some headlamp or tail lamp details. Otherwise, looks really good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.